Here's what you will need: your OpenCart Store installation, Shopunity extension, this one you can download from shopunity.net, your FTP credentials, and optional, an iSense Lab extension installer quick fix. You have two options. You can install via the extension installer or with FTP. Before you can install any extension in the extension installer, you should set up your FTP. You can go directly to the settings and enter your FTP details here. There's also a nice hack from iSense, which allows us to do this without FTP. It's a quick fix of an awk mode file which adds this modification. Once you have uploaded it, you need to refresh the cache and go back to the extension installer. Now let's download Shopunity extension. On the shopunity.net site, click Download. Simply find it on your desktop or in the Downloads folder, select it and upload it. There you go. Now let's go to the extensions, modules, and click Install. When you have uploaded all your files, we go back to the extensions, modules, and we click Install. Then we go into Edit. Click Connect to Shopunity. If you do not have an account, just click Sign Up, and you can use your social networks or add your email. Click Sign Up. You can go back to your Shopunity and click Connect. Hooray! You've made it to the finish line. Now you can install all our extensions with a click of a button, like so. That's it. You're all done.